Hello guys. So today we are going to continue our last session which we had taken, in which we had discussed how to do the flash fill and how can we take like some part of our data from our text column. For example, we have this particular column named as city dash pin code, in which we have city and dash, then its pin code of the city. So from this particular data, we want to just take out only the city. So one method which we had seen is the flash fill, in which we had used the shortcut key as Control plus E. Another method we has seen is we had used left function over here, left function, and another function is find function. Using these two functions, we had taken the city name from our city pin code column. Okay. Now the next thing is what if we want to take the pin code? So for taking out the pin code from our this particular column, we can use write function. And how does this write function will work? Let's see. So I had written here write function. In this also we have these two parameters named as text and number of characters. So in this particular function, there is something which is different from our left function. So in this particular thing is we will choose the text, then we will select what the number of characters. The number of characters are for every pin code is of this length of 6. So we will choose here 6 round brackets close, then enter, and we will get the pin code, same pin code for the all the answers. Okay. What if we have to use the index column? For example, if in our case the pin code is same for each and every data, but what if there are numbers which are not of the same length? Okay. So what we can do? Okay. So what we can do over here is we can use a len formula. Okay. How does this len formula works? If I just write over here len, and inside this len function I will just put a2 round brackets close, then enter, then I get the length of each and every value for our this is city pin code column. Like here is city, then pin code, here city pin code, city pin code. I get the length of all these particular data. Now, if you see the length, total length minus the index of this dash is always comes out to be 6, which is the length of the pin code, which is quite natural to understand. So 13 minus 7 is 6, 11 minus 5 is also 6, 12 minus 6 6, 15 minus 9 is 6. So what we can do is over here is instead of using this 6, I can use S2 minus G2. S2 minus G2. Okay, then I press enter and I get the same answer. Okay, I get the pin code of my all the values. Okay, so we had to understand how can we using the left function and using the right function, how can we get the answer. Now if we want to use it in more advanced way, what is the meaning of the more advanced way? The meaning is that we will not use a separate column like G and H. Instead of it, the formula which we had used to get the values from in our G column and the formula which we had used in our H column, we will use these values directly inside this particular function. How can we do that? Inside the G2, we had used the find function. I will use again the find. Okay, the text is this dash comma, and within the text is this is the text a2 round brackets close. Okay, and then minus, this all minus is already given, that's minus 1. If I press enter, I got the name of the cities as I got previously as well. So here we need not use we have no use of our G2. If I just delete this particular column also, then there will be no effect on the city column, but there will be effect on this particular pin code. Okay, so what we can do for doing the pin code, for correcting the pin code? Now I will not get any answer. What we can do, we can also apply the same thing over here. So S2 minus E2. So S2 we had used the len function. I will use like len, again round brackets, this A2 round brackets close. Okay. Then for G2, what we have to do for the G2 is the index. So we will use this find. Okay. Inside the find, we will use like here dash, comma. I will use this particular text. Okay. Then press enter. Yes. Okay. And I will get the answer. Okay. So here we need not use, we have to no use of our this G and H column. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay. So so now what we want to do is, now let's suppose we want to we want this particular sheet. Now this sheet we had created. So this particular data is very much important for us. Okay. So what we actually want is, for only this particular sheet, we want that if we share this particular document or we share this particular Excel file, we don't want that anyone will change the data. Anyone can see this particular data, but none of the person is having the right to change or even see this particular data. Okay. So what we can do is, over here is, for this particular sheet, let's say we will right click for this particular sheet, and we had an option over here is protect sheet. I will just click on protect sheet, password to unprotect sheet. Okay. So I have to give this particular password over here. Let's say I will give the password as ABC, small ABC. Then I press OK, and I have to rewrite the password. I had given the password as Vinix, and I press OK. Okay. Now, if I just come on this particular data and I just want to delete this, if I just want to delete this particular thing will not get deleted. This particular thing will not get deleted. But for other sheet, if I just want to delete any data, I can easily delete it. Okay, I can easily delete it. Select this particular type, want to delete, I can delete it. But for this particular sheet, I had given the protection for this sheet. If I just want to delete anything, it will give me the error. So in this way, we can apply, we can protect it. If I just want to unprotect it, I go again right click on this particular sheet and protect sheet. I just give the password as like whatever I had given the password as ABC. I will give the ABC password. If I give wrong password, right? I had given the password as like QAZ. Okay, and I press OK. It will again give me the error. I have to give the right password to unprotect this particular sheet. So for that, I have to remember the password. The password I had given ABC, then OK. Okay, now this sheet is unprotected. Okay. Now if I try to delete but this particular data cell, so it will get deleted or removed. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. So for this particular sheet, we had just see how can we use the left function, right function, find function over here, and with that we had also see that how can we this protect and unprotect our sheet. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.